Going on YouTube. You little shot of my 2014 fireworks stash, if I can get it all in frame here. A lot of this stuff is still packed away in plastic garbage bags. I don't really want to open all that. But I got 4 Entourage. Nice. It's a nice cake. 4 cases of Pro Shells. You all know what those do. Let's see. Down here. 16,000 Firecracker roll. You gotta forgive the shot, because I'm in a kind of a confined little area here in the back of this garage. I got 12 of these. Magnificent Festival by Brothers. It's a pretty good cake. What I got in this box right here? Got some Saturn missiles down there. Let's see what else we got going on back here. Let me see if I can turn the light on. Oh, there we go. I got 4 Smokin Aces by Big. Excellent cake. Excellent cake. That is a magnificent cake right there. Rules of Game by Winda. It's a 30-shot cake. I've never seen it in action, but it looked pretty good on the video. I got 4 of those. Well, you only see 2, but the other 4 is back here in these garbage bags. I got 2 more Rules of Game, 2 more Smokin Aces. And then I got another bag back here, just 4 blonde jokes in it. So I got a case of blonde jokes, a case of Smokin Aces, a case of the Rules of Game, some more Magnificent Festival. I got 2 Mobile Menace. These are pretty good. What else we got over here? Let There Be Zoom by Winda Fireworks. That looks pretty good. We got here, I think this is a 350-gram double by Brothers. What else we got going on over here? Black Thunder by Big. I have 4 of these. I don't know where they are, but they're around here somewhere. I know I got 4 of them. What else we got going on? 500-gram cake right here. Broken Silence by Big. Absolution by Big. 16 shots. Black Hole Sun. It's a rain cake. It's pretty good. This is one of my favorites right here. 10 shot. Let's see what they got going on. Full auto, 200 shots. When I was up there, they ran out of the 400 shots, so I just got 4 200 shots. These are pretty good mine effect. I like these. I got, how many of these? I got 4 of these. This right here is the Red, White, and Blue Salute by Brothers. These are pretty good. Let's see what else I got going on. Amped, 500-gram cake by Big Fireworks. That's Shaolin Warrior by Big Fireworks. Cobalt Bomb, aka Parrots Prattle. It's one of my all-time favorites. They didn't have Red Apple. They didn't have Hydrogen Bomb when I was there. They did not have Hydrogen Bomb, and I didn't feel like going into any other shop, so I just got the Cobalt Bomb. What we got here? Chronic by Big. Now this right here, this cake right here, it's ridiculous. This big breaks, loud big breaks. This is like a must-have. If you can get your hands on big fireworks, make sure you get the Chronic. All right, that down there. Let's try to get a shot on that. That right there is Zombie Driver by Winda. Zombie Driver. Let me see what else. Like I said, these back here, the 4 blonde jokes. What else do I have going on? Here I got a box of just 200-gram cakes, and I got some artillery shells in here too. Fuse. Got the fast fuse, perfect fuse, and the regular safety fuse. See this or not? Here. Bling Bling by Brothers. I got 3 of these. These are pretty good. These are pretty good 200-gram cakes right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Got some firecrackers going on over here. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. I was gonna make another trip. I don't think that I am. This should be enough for me this year. I don't think I'm going to spend that much more this year. Yeah, I got enough. I actually don't feel like I have enough, but I'm pretty sure I got enough for this year. And, yeah, that's it. Sorry about the confined space, but got it back here in the corner. I don't feel like digging it all out. All right, y'all take care. Out.